Hey there, welcome to our channel. Japan is known for producing innovative and advanced gadgets. Cameras, speakers, gaming devices, and smart home devices are evidence of Japan's history of cutting-edge technological innovations. Japanese companies combine technology with great designs, making the gadgets stand out. The options for household gadgets are limitless. There is a gadget for anything you can imagine. So, in this video, we'll bring you the top 10 picks that will transform your everyday life and add a touch of innovation to your home. Japan is renowned for its ingenious inventions that make everyday life more efficient and enjoyable. So, let's dive right in. Number 10. Japanese kitchen knives. A proper Japanese kitchen knife is always a popular item to buy in Japan, but it doesn't come cheap. Daiso's new lifestyle store standard products offers high-quality basics at affordable prices, including 3 stainless steel knives that are made in Gifu Prefecture. There's a bread knife, a kitchen knife, and a petty knife. These affordable slicers are produced in Seiki, a city known for its knives and blades industry, while the handles are fashioned out of Japanese wood. Number 9. Dome Brew Classic Coffee Maker. This Japanese home gadget is a zojirushi coffee maker designed to brew coffee at different strengths. You can select between the classic or bold brew. The coffee maker can brew up to 12 or 8 cups of iced coffee. It also features Zojirushi's exclusive taste tuner to perfectly brew every cup. All its surfaces are BPA-free, so they are completely safe for food and beverages. The machine also goes as high as 200 degrees Fahrenheit, resulting in flavorful coffee the way only a Japanese can make it. Number 8. GIBI Mini Humidifier. When the air gets a bit dry, the quickest fix is to use a humidifier. This adorable mini humidifier features some of Ghibli's most iconic characters such as Totoro, Cal Kiefer from Hull's Moving Castle, and Gigi the cat from Kiki's Delivery Service. The humidifier is ideal for your desk or bedside table and comes with a USB cable, so it can easily be plugged into any USB port or even your computer. Number 7. Integrated Smart Toilet. This smart toilet will change everything you know about toilet seats. Designed by the Japanese company Toto, the G450 integrated smart toilet fits a lot of functions into a compact design. It combines the tornado flush with Cephean tech to make it water efficient and easy to clean. This ADA-compliant toilet seat is designed for universal height and has a sleek one-piece design. It comes with a heated seat, and you can control the temperature. The auto-open and close lid also ensures no unnecessary touching of the toilet seat. Number 6. Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Panasonic Robot Vacuum Cleaner enables accurate recognition of the layout of the house and even removes dust where it has been missed. Newly equipped Active Lift easily overcomes uneven surfaces such as rugs and mats that could not be overcome before. The unit lifts up to 2.5 centimeters and runs smoothly over them. Cleans up to the edges while avoiding furniture and other objects. The machine detects and avoids obstacles up to approximately 2 centimeters in width. Number 5. Electric Blanket. If you find your heating system fails to keep your feet warm during cold nights, then this product is for you. The Toes Kuruman electric blanket uses electricity to keep your feet and lower body warm through the night. You can set its timer for up to 120 minutes of midnight heating. Its temperature can also go as high as 48 degrees Celsius per 118 degrees Fahrenheit. Using the eclectic blanket is straightforward. Some users choose to lay it on the bed and slip their feet under it. Others prefer to lay it on top of their duvets. But it can also heat more than your feet. Feel free to wrap it around yourself on cold days anywhere in your house. Number 4. Temp Pan. This unique Vita Craft Temp Pan frying pan comes with a built-in temperature sensor to help you cook with precision. The pan is available in 2 sizes, either 22 centimeters or 26 centimeters in diameter, and also comes with a glass lid. Conveniently, it works with both gas and induction stovetops. The temperature of the pan is displayed on the handle and it just needs 2 AAA batteries to function. Number 3. Bento Rice Cooker. Nothing beats the comfort of freshly cooked rice, and with this Bento box rice cooker, you'll never have to reheat rice again. The size of a small lunch box, this rice cooker is designed to cook a single serving of rice as quickly as possible. It's highly portable and can be plugged in anywhere, including at your desk. The Bento rice cooker is a creation of Thanco, an electronics company known for out there appliances like the underarm aircon, but we say any rice cooker that can double as a lunchbox is genius. Now we just need a mini frying pan with a lid. Number 2. Compact bakery. Most Japanese homes can boast high-quality ovens, but only a few have a home bakery. The compact bakery by Ricolt may sound like an exaggeration, but it is not. This device can make up to 45 different pastries. No matter what you make, 12 menus will complete that process. Ricolt Compact Bakery will handle all types of dough, from bread and donuts to pizza. From kneading to rising and doubling up to baking, this gadget is your one-stop. This Japanese home gadget will make you bake more. Number 1. Steamer Deodorizer DSA10WW. Apartments and homes are getting smaller, so spaces are getting more cramped than ever. Even though we have less space to store clothes, we're not wearing any fewer outfits. Hence, deodorizing the wardrobes that store those clothes, shoe closets, and other cramped spaces is super important. The Daikin Loop Steamer Deodorizer DSA10WW is the perfect space deodorizer if you're particular about your home smelling fresh at all times. Its sleek and modern design screams high quality, like many other Japan-made gadgets for home. This means you can also use it in your car. There you have it, our top 10 must-have Japanese household gadgets. From automated cleaning to culinary delights, Japan has a gadget for everyone. Which one piqued your interest the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more fascinating content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and until next time, sayonara.